In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code as a senior developer. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to set up your environment, break tasks into manageable prompts, and optimize your code effectively. Begin by opening Visual Studio Code, which is often abbreviated as VS Code. Once the application is running, access the Claude Code panel to integrate it into your workflow. This panel will provide the necessary tools to interact with Claude Code seamlessly. Next, create a project folder where your application will reside. Open a terminal window and type the command mdr myapp to create a new directory named myapp. Afterward, navigate into this directory by entering cd myapp. This action sets the context for your project. To initiate a new node.js project, run npm init-y. This command generates a package.json file with default settings, allowing you to manage your project dependencies. Understanding your technology stack is crucial at this stage. Familiarize yourself with the components you will be using, such as node.js and React. Knowing your stack will help you communicate more effectively with Claude Code and streamline your development process. Once your setup is complete, the next step involves breaking tasks into micro prompts. A useful rule to remember is that one task equals one prompt. For example, if you are tasked with building an authentication feature, start by creating a Mongoose user model that includes fields like username, email, password, and created @. After completing each task, copy the output to the appropriate file before moving on to the next prompt. As you continue, focus on providing only relevant code snippets. Avoid pasting entire projects. Specify the stack and version you are using, such as Node 18, Express, and MongoDB. Clearly describe the problem you're facing, like a specific endpoint that takes too long to respond. For instance, you might say this endpoint takes 3 seconds to respond, and then paste only the relevant root handler. This targeted approach will yield more effective suggestions from Claude Code. When seeking assistance, prompt Claude Code like a senior developer would. Ask questions such as explain why this query is slow and suggest a production-safe fix. This level of inquiry encourages detailed responses and enhances your understanding of the problem. As you receive feedback, focus on refactoring and optimizing your code. For instance, if you identify n+1 query issues, consider refactoring the code to avoid unnecessary database calls within loops. Similarly, if a React component is re-rendering too often, explore optimization techniques like React.memo or useMemo. Additionally, you may want to add caching, such as implementing Redis caching with a 60-second time to live for specific endpoints. In the review and testing phase, ask Claude Code to evaluate your function for security, performance, and readability. Conduct local tests to verify that your changes work as intended. This thorough review process will ensure that your code meets high standards. Finally, keep your microprompts organized. After completing one prompt, save your work and test it before proceeding to the next prompt. This method helps avoid multitasking and ensures each task is thoroughly addressed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.